Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to build this mini Lego pistol that actually shoots. To start building, you'll need to build up this little thing here. Yeah, it has an axle, 2 small bushings, and this thing here. Now, so what you want to do with this is you want to take an elastic, probably one that's not too thick because you won't be able to feed it through this one here. And I find it's easier to twist it up first, and feed it through here. Like this. So you're gonna need two 12 studs long bricks here with holes in them, and you want to stack them on top of each other. Then you're going to take this A2 brick with holes in it and put it 3 studs away from this side here. Like this. So you need to make 2 of those, and once you've made the second one, Technic piece here, and then just put it in on the top here. So you're going to need a 1x2 brick with a hole in the center, and you're going to take this piece you just we're building on and put it right at the bottom. And then you're going to need 2 1x1 bricks with holes in them, like this, and put them on like this so the hole is facing like this way. And now you're going to need a piece like this that has all these pins in it. Make sure to put them in this order. It has 2 long pins, 2 normal pins, and 1 Technic pin axle. Here we have a Technic piece here. It has 2 long pins, 2 normal pins, and a axle pin. And you're just going to want to put them all in these places here. After that, you want to take 2 of these 1x6 bricks with holes in them and put them like this. Okay, now you're going to need to build up a plate like this, 7 studs long and 3 studs wide, and once you're done building it, then you can put it onto the front of your grip. To finish up the grip, then you just need to basically cover the back up with plates, so it's pretty simple. Okay, you're going to take this piece that you built earlier, and you're going to take this grip here, and you're going to put it right there. Now you're going to replicate something that looks like this. It's holes long, and it has 2 axles. And once you're done that, you can take a 1x1 brick with a hole in it, and put a long pin through it, and then put 2, 3 hole holes. And then you put this piece in between here, creating something that looks like this. Now, once you have this built, you can put it onto your grip, about 1 stud to the top. Now you can take this piece you built way at the start and put it on top right here. Now you're going to take 2 2x3 plates and put them here and here, but leave a 4 stud long gap here, and then just cover the rest with more of these 2x3 tiles. Then you're going to put 2 1x4s here. Okay, now we're almost done this, but I'm going to add some sights. If you want to, then you just need a 1x2 This part depends on your elastic, but take 2 Technic pins and put them on both sides depending on the size of your elastic. But make sure they're not too far forward, because when you're not using your gun, you don't want it to have too much tension on the elastic, because it will stretch the elastic and it won't be as good next time you shoot it. The gun is finished, and all you need to do is to take a round. I custom built these ones to make them look like bullets, but you can pretty much use anything that'll fit in the barrel. Put it on the top. Okay guys, thanks for watching.